Have you ever had that moment where you're staring at your laptop thinking, I need a website, but I don't have enough money. I can't code, and honestly, I don't have patience for stress. Good news! In 2025, building a website no longer means spending hundreds of dollars or wrestling with confusing drag-and-drop editors. Today, AI website builders can create a full, modern, responsive site in minutes and for free. So after testing a bunch of them, I narrowed it down to the top 3 that actually impressed me. And to keep it fair, we'll use the exact same prompt to build the same website on all 3 tools. Let's jump in. For this test, we're building a simple but realistic example. A modern online bookstore with 4 pages: homepage, book details, contact, and shopping cart. Clean typography. Soft colors. Mobile friendly. Here's the prompt we'll be using for all tools. Create a modern, minimalist online bookstore website with 4 pages: homepage, book details, contact, and shopping cart. Homepage should have a hero section, search bar, featured books grid, and simple categories. Book details page should show cover image, title, author, price, description, and an add to cart button with related books. Contact page should include a clean form and social links. Cart page should list items, price, quantity, and checkout. Use clean typography, soft colors, and simple book placeholders. This is the type of website most people watching this would actually want to build. Something simple, useful, and realistic. All right. Let's start with our first tool, Replit. Replit started as an online coding environment back in 2016, but today it has evolved into a surprisingly powerful AI website builder. When you log in, the interface is clean, your apps and integrations on the left, your main AI prompt in the middle, and a few themes you can switch between. And yes, you can even build web apps, data apps, 3D projects, or let their AI agent help you out. I pasted our bookstore prompt. Replit started running code in the background. You can actually see the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript being generated in real time. And then, the final result loads. Genuinely impressive. Clean layout, matching colors, modern style. Everything in our prompt was respected. Hero section, book grid, contact form, working buttons. It actually looked professional. You can build the website for free. But to publish it online, you'll eventually need to upgrade your plan. So Replit is great if you want power plus customization, but not the best if you want completely free hosting. Moving to the next tool, Firebase. Firebase is created by Google, and it's mainly known as a tool for building and hosting apps. But with their new AI features, it quietly became one of the best free AI website builders for beginners. When you log in, everything feels simple and minimal. A clean prompt box, a couple of workspaces at the bottom, nothing too distracting. I pasted our bookstore prompt. The generation speed is right in the middle, not too fast, not too slow. Now here's the thing. Firebase works, but it doesn't look as modern as Replit. It has more of a classic web app feel, like something Google would make in 2017. Functional? Yes. Pretty? Not really. But everything works. Buttons, forms, text, links. And Firebase gives you free hosting plus free credits to launch small sites. Firebase's free plan is actually one of the most generous out there. Hosting, storage, database, enough credits to launch small projects. If you want custom domains or advanced features, then you upgrade. But for a small project like our bookstore, Google practically lets you host it for free. The third one is my favorite, and it's called Bolt. Bolt, created by StackBlitz, is the new kid on the block. But it's fast. The interface feels modern, minimal, clean. On the left, you've got settings and previous chats. In the middle, your prompt box. I pasted the same bookstore prompt and hit send. Bolt ran through a bunch of processes instantly. And in seconds, the site preview popped up. Fully functional, modern UI, clean layout. Everything from the prompt was included. Compared to Firebase, this feels a lot fresher. Compared to Replit, it's simpler but faster. Bolt lets you build and test for free. But you have daily and monthly token limits, so it's perfect for small websites. But if you're trying to build something big every day, you'll hit that limit fast. Which one should you choose? Here's the breakdown. Best for beginners, Firebase, free hosting, free credits, easiest to launch. Best for fastest website generation, Bolt, super quick, clean results, easy workflow. Best for power plus customization, Replit gives you code control and modern output. And the amazing thing is, you can build a solid, beautiful website in minutes with any of these for free. If you want me to test more AI tools, compare them side by side, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me Website Builder Part 2. Links to all the tools are in the description. I'll see you on the next one.